Two goats across the bridge.
It's a famous fable all over the world. Of La Fontaine. The story is short, but it's a huge lesson about giving in and unite in our daily lives. Let's listen together. Two goats want to cross a narrow bridge across a stream. Black goat coming from over here. The white goat came from there. Both of you go ahead. No one will give up. To the black goat, Brige said, I have to cross the bridge first. The white goat said, Why don't you back off and make me back off? I have to cross the bridge first. They argue loudly. No one gives up. The white goat furiously lowered its horn towards the black goat. The black goat saw that and hastily lowered its head. He's got two horns and he's going straight for the white goat. They're pushing each other and they're hitting each other hard. As a result, they both fell into the stream. It's just that we don't know how to give each other. But both goats fell ill and couldn't get to the stream. The story reminds you that everything has to be polite. Given to each other, not fighting each other. It's going to end up like two poor goats. It's our story. It's over, guys. Let's look at other interesting stories in the videos next by pressing the channel subscription button.
Goodbye and see you later.